Hey guys, this is Leith Pilot. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you want a video like this. Turn on the post notifications bell icon to make sure you get notified when we post new upload. And today what we will be watching is me going in a United 777-300ER from Brussels to Washington Dulles. And I get to go in the cockpit. I'm really excited, so thank you, United, for making this happen. I couldn't have done it without you. The flight attendants were really nice. There were 3 crew members in the cabin. There was a first officer, a captain, and there's a female officer. She sat up back for like 2 hours, and then they always switch because on long flights, like this one was 8 hours, but on long flights they have 3, so then other pilots can rest. And on the big like the A380s and other big airplanes that travel long distances, such as 747, they have a whole other, they have a upstairs. The crew have some place to sleep or get some rest. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video. Boy!
That's correct. Till the 777-10 comes out.
The next
next generation.
777X.
Yeah.
That'll be in 2029.
Yeah.
2027.
On the takeoff, we're going to Dulles. You can see A400. There's a second A400. And third. Bye-bye, Brussels. Landing gear up. When I went to the cockpit of the 777-300ER on United, I saw, I asked at what speed do they do V1. It's 106 knots gone up. And the first officer said that flaps would go 15, and the V1 is calculated on every flight based on the bags, the weight, and the amount of passengers. And V1 is when when you're going full speed when you're taking off. Yeah, V1 is you pull up and you can't slow down. So if there's like a bird strike, you can't slow down. You have to keep going. You're committed.